Okay, I have this dash cam suction cup that no longer works. Doesn't adhere very well to the glass anymore. The dash cam would fall off. And I tried to clean off the surface area. I'd even try heated it up. You can see the discoloration here. I was hoping maybe if I softened it, it would work, but it didn't work anymore. And I took it apart. Basically, what I found out was the mechanism that pulls the suction cup into this housing here. It no longer attaches to this flexible suction cup. So what I had to do is basically glue that mechanism back together. I've drawn a little diagram here. You have this mechanism here, and this is part of the flexible suction cup. So this highlighted part here got separated from the flexible part. So all I did was I apply some glue here in this cavity here and glue the mechanism together, and I clamp it together, and then the suction cup worked again. Basically 2 parts to this unit here. This here is this part, and you see there's a space here for this plunger, the hard plastic. So this goes into here, and because this no longer seats deeply into the soft plastic, and therefore when you switch that lever, it doesn't pull the suction cup up. So let me see here. So here I put some epoxy. This is JB Weld. JB Weld is 2 parts. So I put JB Weld on the soft plastic here, and I also put it on the hard plastic here, and I join it together. When it is being basically is a clamp like this, I just put it like this and left it there for overnight so that the glue or the epoxy would dry. And after that, this unit works again. It sucks. Now, you can probably get a specialized glue from Loctite, but those are very expensive. They have some flexible instant glue. They have so many different types of them, but all of them they're very expensive. Some of them like $40–50, and of course you wouldn't want to spend that much money on something like this. So I'm just gonna stick this on the window and show you it is working the way it should work. Whatever you're mounting, when you just press it against whatever glass you have, when you press this, if it adheres very well already, you know it's gonna stick. But of course you need to depress this and then press the lever, and now it would be very solid, and it should stay there for a pretty long time. Of course